So I'm showing a trade I took today. Now, when I took the trade, I was not quite prepared to actually record it, and the quality was not very good. So I'm voicing over the trade here, and I'm gonna explain what happened. This morning, we had a very strong rally, which was kind of surprising considering we had so much selling on Wednesday and Thursday. But we had this strong rally. Now, what the bulls do is they're buying these closes. So as the market is going up, every good bull bar, they'll buy the close. Now we can see the bears are getting below the moving average, and then they're creating bear bars. The bulls that bought through here, they don't want to be holding their longs into the close. They'd rather be getting out of their longs. Let me show you. So let's say they had bought this highest close here. Their strategy is either the market will go up and they'll sell higher, or when the market goes down, they'll buy more lower and get out at their midpoint. So we can see here, they bought here. I think here would be a reasonable bull bar to buy above. And then here's their midpoint. They didn't quite get to that midpoint. So to me, that means that the bulls are trapped into their longs up here. And now as the market moves down and gets below the moving average, they're going to be probably rather quick to get out of their longs. They don't want to be holding these longs when potentially we're going to have a big sell-off into the end of the day. They don't want to hold for that. They don't want to hold, going into the weekend. So I think the bulls that are bought through here will be getting out with these bear bars below the moving average. And then that's where I shorted. I took the short below this first bear bar here. So I'll continue the video. And something I wanted to point out on this trade, and by the way, the image here is going to overlap with the candlesticks just for a few seconds. So sorry about that. Watch this 25 here. So I entered with 25 contracts. The market comes down and it's going to hit the limit order, and it's only going to fill 2 of them. And you'll see in just a second. Okay, so there it goes. So it filled 2 of my orders, but did not fill all of the orders. So right now, my orders are first in the queue. So for the E-mini, my buy orders at that price are the first in the queue. And this will happen. And so so this will happen where if you have multiple contracts, sometimes only some of them get filled. So in theory, if my contracts weren't there,
target filled.
So there we go, got out of the position. So in theory, if my orders were not there, the market might have dipped below that low immediately instead of bouncing there. So that's just kind of something fun and interesting to think about. That's just a demonstration of the trade. If you guys have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments. Check out the Discord. I'll leave a link in the description. There are 145 members in the Discord. On the Discord, you can ask questions. There are lots of people that are fairly knowledgeable on trading and other investing related topics. You can post your trades. I encourage people to do that, where you can go and post your trades. You can just show, this is what I'm doing. This is where I'm at. You can ask for feedback. I always comment on the trades that are in there. And if you guys ever have any specific questions or feedback on your trades, I'm happy to help. And I can do better on the Discord because you can show the image of your trade, and then we can look at it together and talk about it. So I just wanted to show you guys that trade, and it's the weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.